हाय हेलो नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल। वेलकम टू वीएम रिएक्शन वर्ल्ड। आज मैं रिएक्ट करने जा रहा हूँ एक तमिल सॉन्ग। इट्स कॉल्ड रोमियो आटम पोट्टा। द लेजेंड हिमसेल्फ प्रभुदेवा सर and the song is composed by A.R. Rahman sir, another legend. Basically, Tamil film industry and the music is fantastic. As we all know, South Indian cinema has grown so well in the past decades, and now all are talking it gonna beat Bollywood as soon as possible. And I think after Bahubali, and of course before that also, Rajnikant sir is so famous in Bollywood. Rajnikant sir, Kamal sir, and from Telugu, Chiranjeevi sir, from Malayalam, Mohanlal sir, and Kannada also. Kannada, there are beautiful stars from there also, like Rajkumar sir, and I know Vishnuvardhan sir. So South Indian film industry is all over. Now it became so big after Bahubali, after KGF, and Robo, and these kind of beautiful movies from South has made up so big in the industry now. And particularly Tamil industry is so big after Telugu, I think, because the number one industry in movie making number wise is Telugu from in Indian film industry. As of now, Telugu is, as far as my knowledge, Telugu is number one industry now. And after Tamil, I think Bollywood, and after that Tamil. Of course, we'll just leave the topic now. We are going to react on the song now. After that, we'll see what is in it, and we'll discuss on that. Ooh, this is Prabhudeva. That's why he's Prabhudeva. Oh. I'm sorry if I'm talking in between because I'm a huge fan of his dance. So oh, Shilpa Shetty bhi hai song mein. I think she's the heroine. Okay. Wow, his balancing is outstanding. Look how fast he is. Very well choreographed, very well. Man, Basically, whole setup is westernized actually. It was fantastic. See, this is a difference between a dancer and Prabhudeva. Oh, how fast he is. Oh. Did you see that? Single take. That's brilliant. दिस इज़ प्रभुदेवा सर एक्चुअली. बाद में बात करेंगे प्रभुदेवा सर के बारे में. पहले रहमान सर की कंपोजिशन. आई थिंक द फिल्म was from 90s. The composition, the quality of the sound, just fantastic. And I know the voice is Hariharan sir's voice, and he's another additional beautiful advantage to the song. And apart from that, Prabhu sir's energy and look at his choreography, and I know the style. Definitely he is the choreographer for the song. And the westernized the song was actually westernized background. And his as I said before, and I'm sorry for my in between talks, because I'm a huge fan of Prabhu sir's choreography, and as a dancer also I'm a huge fan. So that's why I'll have that excitement, so I'll talk in between. I'm sorry for that. And as I said, that's the main difference among all the dancers and Prabhu sir. The comical expressions he manages so well in between the dance, and he just he just and I like him so much. I love him so much. And I saw most of his Bollywood songs, so I'm new to this Tamil song. And I know he's native from Tamil Nadu, so basically he adopts so well the culture, or the expressions wise also is so damn good. I'm so thankful to recommending me this song. And I enjoyed so lot of his energy all the time, and now also I enjoyed a lot. And thanks for recommending me, guys, and please suggest me more videos so I can react on those all things. And thanks for suggesting me, and I hope you enjoyed my reaction. And please do subscribe my channel for more reactions. And thank you, guys.